Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. At present, personal attendance of the applicant oblique accused is not required in the court. Stop. Moreover, visa of the applicant is up till 15/7/2020. Stop. This court is further of the opinion that no injustice is going to be caused to the complainant in case the application in hand is allowed. Stop. Perusal of reply to the application reveals that details has been given regarding incidents occurred with the complainant, and even during arguments, learned counsel for complainant through video conference as well as complainant present in person in court have argued at length about the role of present applicant in commission of offence. Stop. This court has observed that at present this court is not disposing the main case on merits, in which the role of the applicant oblique accused has to be considered or seen. Stop. So, this court is not deciding anything on merits. Therefore, these arguments are not maintainable here. Stop. Para. Further, keeping in view the above said observations, facts and circumstances as mentioned in the application, the same is hereby allowed. Stop. The order was challenged by the complainant before the Court of Sessions by filing a revision petition, which was assigned to additional sessions judge, but the said revision petition was dismissed by learned additional sessions judge. Wide order dated 25/5/2020 and the order passed by Chief Judicial Magistrate was upheld. Stop. Still feeling aggrieved, the complainant has approached this court by moving the instant petition, which is being resisted by learned state counsel and counsel for the respondent number 2. Stop. I have heard learned counsel for the parties besides going through the record. Stop. Section 482 CRPC deals with inherent powers of the High Court, providing that nothing in this code shall be deemed to limit or affect the inherent powers of the High Court to make such orders as may be necessary to give effect to any order under this code, or to prevent abuse of the process of any court, or otherwise to secure the ends of justice. Stop. I find that the impugned orders do not call for any interference by this court, since they do not appear to be suffering from any illegality or infirmity. Stop. As regards the apprehension expressed by learned counsel for the petitioner that respondent number 2 Aarti is going on a permanent visa and there are little chances of her return, I do not find much force in this contention, since adequate terms and conditions have been imposed by Chief Judicial Magistrate to ensure that she returns after a period of 4 months for which the permission had been granted to her. Stop. Para. Learned counsel for the petitioner has further contended that respondent number 2 Aarti accused be asked to furnish bank guarantee for an amount higher than rupees 5 lakhs, which has been so directed by Chief Judicial Magistrate. Stop. But I find that keeping in view the facts and circumstances of the case, this amount is sufficient and adequate. Stop. Thus, I do not see any reason to revoke the permission granted by the courts below to respondent number 2 Aarti to go abroad for a period of 4 months on terms and conditions detailed in the order of Chief Judicial Magistrate. Stop. Over.